yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody
Bye, Sonia.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best even though
Hey, baby. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi,
you know, it's like it's been long you entered my vlog. Are you serious?
Yeah, hi people.
Anyway, this young man just came back. He left to leave me at home since.
Oh.
Welcome back here.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you the water. That's the first.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. You lie.
Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. See, if you're hearing any music, bang, bang, bang. In fact, let me go to the bedroom. I have to come to the bedroom because they are doing one celebrity birthday party here and the music and everywhere. In fact, if I show you outside now, cars, everything is just choked outside. So anyways, this is me just wanting to eat potato, and my husband man said two shall become one, that he must eat that potato too. Okay, so yeah, and this is me like trying to just like fry that first clip you guys saw. Let me show you something in my kitchen first. So guys, this is a place where I usually use my hot plate to do whatever I want to do, but you can see it was broken. So right now this thing is not working. I want to call an electrician so that I can change this stuff for me. Yeah, so that's why this place is actually empty. Then I have to push this thing inside since that place is not functioning for now. I was trying to off this thing and I pressed it hard and the thing just break. Okay, that's the fault I have here. Is I have this socket outside here. This is just like my corridor here. You can see it's just like a corridor. So I have this this side here, and whenever there is light, I actually do not want to waste my gas. So that's why I have to do this setup. See the setup I did. So people should not laugh at me, please. Okay, I'm just trying to be manageable things activated. I don't know if you guys understand. So that's why I have to bring this here so that I will fry the potato here. And since my backyard is clean and the rest of that, so I don't feel like it's really a bad thing. Okay, so if it's really a bad thing, you guys should let me know in the comment section. Anyway, this is me just fry the potato and I'll just continue the process with you guys. Okay, yeah, let's continue. Anytime I'm cooking, anytime I'm cooking and I want to test, my husband too wants to test, so it's testing already. Imagine what's not a guy. I better go, Joe.
Hi guys, big Indomie.
John is speaking to me. Good job. So guys, I'm trying to be a baby again. I want to become a baby. I'm trying to be a baby.
Am I baby now? Baby's kiss.
I want to be small baby, not big baby.
Yes.
Tata.
Small babies kiss their daddy.
Small baby kiss their daddy, but big babies don't kiss their daddy.
Hi guys, how you doing? Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you guys.
Yes guys, happy Sunday. I forgot to tell you guys happy Sunday.
Happy first day of the week.
first day of the week. Tomorrow is Monday, today is Sunday. Okay, you are Sabbatarian background.
Aside Sabbatarian, Sunday is the first day of the week.
Okay, first day of the week, guys. I don't want to argue. Anyways, let me go and continue my food. Bye bye. Chef.
Baby.
Chef, horo barawan.
Please now stop. Don't tell them I don't know how to.
You're trying. No, you know how to do it. God forbid. Ta, you are the best. Are you scared?
Let's see where you're going.
I put the other down. We'll put all.
Yes. You're frying too. Yeah, guys. I have to try.
Hey.
Yeah, how did I'm trying?
Hey, why not? It's not good. At least you're learning fast.
Make it a day to eat good Ferrero.
Life without money, it was past that you go see many things, see, you not go believe, don't to deceive yourself. Money don't rule the world. If you get them, you are there. Heck, if you don't get them, disappear. Chai chai, ewo, apane berego. Na money mata, obuzi makego ma. Chai chai, ewo, life without a one wow. Na so far. Obuzi makego ma. Chai chai, ewo, apane berego. Na money mata, obuzi makego ma. Chai chai, ewo, life without a one wow. Na so far. Obuzi makego ma. Chai chai, ewo, so far. Obuzi makego ma chai chai ewo akwa na eberego na money mata. Obuzi makego ma chai chai ewo life without a one wow na so far. Obuzi makego ma Obuzi makego ma Obuzi makego ma Obuzi makego ma Life without money, it was past that you go see many things, see, you no go believe. Don't to deceive yourself. Money don't rule the world. If you get them, you are there. Hey, if you no get them, disappear. Chai chai, ewo, akwa na eberego, na money mata. Obuzi makego ma, chai chai, ewo life without a one wow, na so far. Obuzi makego ma, chai chai, ewo, akwa na eberego, na money mata. Obuzi makego ma, chai chai, ewo life without a one wow, na so far. Obuzi makego ma. Chai chai, ewo, akwa na eberego, na money mata. Obuzi